18-volt portable power source. And then we got for free the 195 piece Ryobi set. If you guys missed out on this deal, make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed to this channel, so you guys won't miss any of these deals. I did get this for $14.99, this for free from Direct Tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yes guys, we ended up getting this. We bought this for $14.99, and we ended up getting this big kit here for free, basically, and Direct Tools. A lot of you out there got it, and a lot of you didn't, so I'm sorry about that. But you know, you just gotta be quick when these deals pop up. You guys gotta be on them. Sometimes I post in the middle of the night, sometimes I post in the middle of the day, so whenever they come up, I post them, so whoever gets them gets them. So drilling driving kit, it's 195 pieces, guys. You guys know that Ryobi is not the best quality in bits. They're mostly DIY type of bits. Just keep that in mind. It's not the best out there, but it is a really nice complete kit for the homeowner, for the DIY. Alright, let's start with the kit, and then we'll do the unboxing of this thing. So for the camera, or for this task kit, take this off. A lot of different bits. I mean, we got anywhere from, oh, these are hard to pull out. So we do have some star bits, as it says right there. So let's take these out. So you guys see here, we got a lot of star bits. Put that back. All right, so that's that's a nice feature that it has, that they're kind of hard to pull in, because by the time you flip it over and you do this and that, these get really loose. So you got a lot of number 2 bits, Phillips 1, Phillips 2. Oh, these are magnetic too. I feel this going, these are not, these are. So you got a 1/4 inch nut driver. Let me put these out. Alright, so we got, what is this, a 9/30 seconds. We got a 1/4 inch, what is this, up to 1/2 inch. And then up here, I don't know if you guys could see it, but up here we do have a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch socket drivers. And then we have a, if I can pull that out, that's a magnetic sleeve for these smaller bits here on the right. This is star bits here. We got square bits. We got hex bits. And then we got some more Phillips. All these are just one row of Phillips, so that's a whole lot. We got the flat ones, the flat head, and all these are hex, and then all these are square. So now we got some more hex over here, some bigger, I don't know if you guys can see them, but some bigger hex over here. You get some wood, you got some metal, and then you get some concrete. Nice. So yeah, these are easier to take out because they're bigger. But I'm just gonna take them, and they are labeled, by the way. Look here, you got 1/2 inch and 3/8. This is 1/2 inch. So here's the quality of it. I mean, it's decent. It's not gonna be your top of the line quality, but it's gonna be fairly decent. 1/2 inch, 3/8, 11/30 seconds, 5/16, 1/4 inch. So you got so you got 3 of them, 1/4 inch. We got 3/16, 11/64, 5/30 seconds, 5/30 seconds, 9/64, 1/8. So 1/8 at the very left, and then we got some wood on this side. So this one's 3/8. Yeah, this was a 3/8 bit, and we'll just set it right here. So we got some wood bits here all the way down to 1/8. So 3/8 all the way to down to 1/8. And then we got some masonry here, which are really hard to get off. So this is 1/4 of an inch. You guys can tell by the end. That is a masonry. Oh boy, these are really hard to put back. But yeah, and then we got some smaller ones here. Maybe some metal ones, smaller. So I gotta say, it's a really nice complete kit for the DIY. And after you put it, put it back. Ryobi here on the case. It says Ryobi there. Nothing on the back. Pretty plain. All right. Next thing we have this. This is a power USB adapter. This is what I paid for. I paid $14.99 for this. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. According to this, it says 18 volt portable power source, compatible with the Ryobi One Plus, 18 volts. The P743 3-year warranty stuff here. So alright, so once you take it out, you got some instructions. Obviously some instructions here, and then you got some more instructions. You got P743. We do have like a serial number there at the bottom. 18 volts, 2.1 amp, 5 volts output. Alright, so let's put this in a battery, see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like on a battery. So you guys see here, pretty simple. Does have a button here on the top. So I guess if you want to turn it off and on. I don't see no lights though. So we'll go ahead and plug in a cell phone, see what it does. So we do got a fast charger and a regular charger. This is 1 amp, 5 volts. This is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Obviously you want to get the one that's faster charging for the newer phones. And then we'll plug this in. So it is charging. It says 55%. Charging 1 hour. Once you put it in like that, and then it's charging. So guys, it works pretty good. It's not a fast charger, just keep that in mind. It's just a normal charger. Yep, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.